Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to do a simple design with choti work. Start with a small chain, long chain and small chain. Do the same on alternative sides. Long, small chain and again other side long and small chain. In this way you have to do 9 chains. After that give a straight chain on top of the small chain. Come down by long chain, small chain. Again leave little gap and again give small chain and straight chain on top of the chains. So one by one come down and give a straight chain. You'll get a step kind of thing on top of the chains. So in this way I am doing like 3 arches. Like bouquet kind of thing design I am doing. So using this you can design your crop top, lehenga with your color taste. So now I am going to do the French knot with normal needle. I have taken 6 strands here. A clear French knot video is there in my playlist. Please check it. This is a simple design with my idea. You can do your own. Thank you. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a good day.